Hey Mustang, welcome to PD for Free.99 in 5. The idea is to have quick, purposeful professional development. I'm going to be right back, and when I do, we'll get started. Boom, started my timer. Okay, here we go. Just so you know, everything that you do is going to be through your Mustang login. So I'm going to go to google.com, even though I'm already there. I'm going to click sign in. I'm going to use my mustangps.org login, same way I log into my computer at work. Okay, we're going to build a form. So to do that, we need to go to Drive. It's our storage place for all of our documents. We're going to go to Create, Form. A form is a simple way for kids to do something like a composition, a multiple choice quiz. It can be a short composition, it could be a long composition, it can be feedback. If you've been to one of my PD events, then this is how I get your evaluations. First thing you're going to do is give it a title. This is called test. I like to pick the simple forms, so I'm going to go with gray and hit OK. Now, if you're giving this out to kids that are not going to be logged into their Google account, you're going to want to uncheck this box that says require Mustang Schools login to view this form, because you're probably going to give it to them via a link. So I'm going to hit OK. My first question is always something like, what is your name? Under help text, I want it to be last, first. Reason for that is that whenever I get their responses, I can organize the column by alphabetical order, so that way it agrees sequentially with my grade book. Okay, this is not going to be a multiple choice. This is going to be a text. Okay, it's a required question, which means they cannot complete this form without telling me who they are. It's a way of getting no name papers. I hit done. That question's complete. Add item. All right. Notice what my options are right here. I have text, which is what we just did. Paragraph text, so they can do a longer composition here if you're on an iPad or a phone or a computer. Multiple choice check boxes, choose from list, scale grid, date, time. Okay, I think you get it. Now for this one, we're just going to do multiple choice, and we'll say something like, what is your favorite sport? No help text there. It would be something like multiple choice possibly, or it could be a text answer. So if it's baseball or baseball, it's a required question too. I'm going to hit done. In the event that I need to move this, I click on it and I can drag it and move it up or down if I wanted it to be the first question instead of the one that I previously had. If I want to go back and edit it, I can click right there. Add another item right here. If I click View Live Form, this is what it's going to look like to kids. I'm going to go ahead and complete it right now. I'm going to select baseball and I'm going to hit Submit. It's been recorded. Awesome. Now, one of the most important parts of this is you see that I have one response. I want to go to this, choose response destination. I want a spreadsheet of all of my responses. So I click new spreadsheet, which is already selected. I click on test, or excuse me, it says test already, which was the name of my original document, and then it says it's going to call it responses. That's perfect. I hit create. Now what it's done behind my back is created a spreadsheet for me. So if I go over to my drive, and wait, there it is. And then you should see my response if this works properly. Actually, Jonathan said baseball. How do I get this to students? I click on send form. If I know their email addresses or if we share folders together, I can add them right here, or I can click on this link, I can copy it. I'm going to go to goo.gl. It's a URL shortener, so the website address. Now, this isn't a website, it's a web document, and it has a unique link. So I'm going to paste it right there, shorten the URL, and that's what I'll give out to kids. You can also, if you click details, by the way, this is case sensitive. If you click details, you get a QR code, so you can have them scan the QR code. Mrs. Terrell at Lake Homa had a fantastic idea. She said that she put it on her website and kids access it there. Whatever works best for you. Hopefully that was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. Okay, so hopefully that wasn't a waste of your time. The idea was to have professional development for free in under 5 minutes. I'm going to put my number at the bottom of the screen. I'm going to put my email address at the bottom of the screen. Appreciate your time. Let me know what you need. Thanks.